Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question: x minus 3 raised to the power of 2x minus 6 equals to 1. So let's provide solution. Very quickly, here we have given here x minus 3 power 2x minus 6 equals to 1. So, and the first thing here is we have x minus 3, then factorize out 2 to get x minus 3 right here is equals to 1. And the things that we have right here, it can be 0, it can be 1 when, and here of course here I have to assume here if x minus 3 can be raised to the power of 0 will be equal to 1, so that here as if this base is raised to the power of 0 will be equals to 1, so that we have to include the power that we have right here, so that here this 0 shall get that 2x minus 3 will be equals to 0, so that you shall get here we shall get x minus 3 which is equals to 0, and x here should not be equals to 3 as we have right here, right? Because if as soon as if x is equal to 3, it can lead to 0, which can lead to indeterminate form. And of course this one should be equals to 1, so we shall get x minus 3 which equals to 1, so that here our x will be 1 plus 3, and of course here x will be equals to 4. And here we can check if the answer is correct, because we have given 4 minus 3 raised to the power of 2 times here times 4 minus 6 will be equals to 1, so that here we have 1 raised to the power of 8 minus 2 equals to 1, so that we have 1 squared which is equals to 1, and left hand side equals to right hand side. I can say that here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.